Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on words describing size. There are many words used in the real world to describe the size of an object or to compare a given characteristic of two objects. Some of the words we will use in this lesson are deep, deeper, shallow, shallower, thick, thicker, wide, wider, narrow, narrower, thin, thinner, heavy, heavier, large, small. So here are just some examples, just to give you an idea what could be asked, and I'm sure teachers can think of many others. Circle the thicker object for each pair of objects shown. So those two pair of objects, ask the students to circle the thicker one. Same here. Those two objects here, which one is the thicker one? Circle the deeper water. Talk about each of these photos here and what they represent. Circle the wider vehicle. Again, talk about these two vehicles and perhaps talk about the number of passengers they can each fit, and that would give the students an idea. Circle the narrower entrance. Talk about what these two entrances represent. Circle the thinner tree trunk. Students could be asked these questions, or similar questions that you can think of. Draw a picture showing shallow water. Draw a picture showing a wide house. Draw a picture showing a thick sandwich. Draw an object in your classroom that is heavy. Sorry, name the object and then draw it. So name the object in your classroom that is heavy and then draw the object. Name an object in your classroom that is light. Draw the object. Name an object in your classroom that is small. Draw the object. So this video has looked at a number of words that can be used in real life, and there are many others, and these words describe size, and they compare the size or some characteristic of one object to another.